Alright guys, so here I have a pocket knife today with me, and it's called Stanley Fatmax. So it's a UK based brand. So I'm not a knife guy, so I purely bought it for unboxing kind of thing. So it has good looks, you can see. It's a very stylish looking knife, and it has a little notch here, like to press this knot and then you can fold it, and to open it you just push this thing and it opens up. It's pretty nice. So here you have little braided thing going on, and it's a stainless steel, and this looks some kind of aluminum, or I don't know, some metal. It's a very shiny metal. And at this side you have this hook kind of thing that you can just put in your pocket, and closing action is pretty nice. Just put this little notch here, and then you fold it, and you can open it with one hand like that. So I really like the look of it. Like, being a designer, I have taste in certain things. So I was searching for a knife to unbox couple of products. That's why I bought it. It has really industrial look and very uh, good looking knife, I guess say. And I will unbox a couple of items. So yeah, it's very good looking knife.